Hashtags are coming to YouTube. Do you know how to use them? What are they for? And where will you find them? That's what we talk about today. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. Now if you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe. Start creating. Hashtags. Now these are the things that everybody have got used to on Twitter and Instagram and kind of shout at people for using on Facebook because it's a bit weird. But did you know that they're now on YouTube? That's right, YouTube have snuck in a brand new feature. I say brand new, it's been around for a little while. But YouTube have finally made hashtags accessible to the general public. But how does that affect you as a YouTube creator, and how does that affect your viewers? So hopefully you'll see that I'm already using the hashtags down here underneath the video title, or just above it, depending. But I want to know, have you experienced them before? Have you seen them before? Do you click on those hashtags? Do you use them? Do you know what they're for? Please leave a comment down below. Now hashtags on Twitter and Instagram are a good shortcut way of jumping to a specific topic. So if someone's talking about the weather, or if someone's talking about the general election, or Donald Trump, or music, or Friday feelings and Monday motivations, you can click on that link and you can see everybody that is tweeting about that topic all collected together in a category underneath that hashtag. Now that's no different than how YouTube will start using it. Now YouTube have added to the top of their titles, or the bottom depending on how you're viewing this, there are now hashtags just above the title. There's 3 hashtags and those are all clickable and they are all searchable. Now why is that important? Well, it gives YouTube creators like me and you the chance to categorize your videos. Now in my case it could be YouTube tutorials, YouTube tips, education, but if you're talking about a specific makeup or a specific news article or a specific person, you could add those hashtags accordingly. So say for example you're talking about Donald Trump, you could have Trump, general election, and I don't know, second term, all as hashtags if you so wanted to. Now why has this been introduced? Well, YouTube want to give you new ways to find content. So if I can categorize my videos into subcategories for you, so this is a YouTube tutorial and it's for YouTube and it's a tutorial and it's about hashtags, and I put hashtag YouTube tutorial YouTube, then they know that those are the 3 things that it needs to rank, or will add me into additional searches. How do you add these hashtags to your own video? Well, it's as simple as adding them into the description. Now, if you have a look at my description, I have multiple hashtags, but I will change out the first 3 hashtags in my description for those first 3 that I want to be associated with this video. All hashtags have been clickable for at least a year now. Right? Maybe even a little bit longer. So you could look in the description, you could click on the hashtags. And many people haven't been ranking for them or hunting to rank for them because it was something that had been semi-tried and forgotten. But in my case, on some of my IGTV videos, I now have IGTV as hashtags. IGTV, IGtutorial, Instagram TV, that kind of thing. When you click on those, it becomes a new search page, and then I can rank on those accordingly, which might bring me in more traffic from other people looking to deep dive into that content. Maybe your video is about Trump and reacting to, I don't know, Stormy Daniels, and it has Trump Stormy Daniels. You click on Stormy Daniels, you'll then see other videos that are talking about Stormy Daniels. Now, how do I feel about this? Well, any way that can give YouTube the chance to feed more traffic to smaller YouTubers and niches, then fine. But I don't find myself on Twitter searching hashtag Trump. I just type in Trump into the search bar. And in this case, using the hashtags on YouTube, you actually search for that specific hashtag and not necessarily just the word Trump. So maybe it's good for category, maybe it's good for clumping them all together and having some kind of consensus and community around a word. It could be good for things like booktube and beauty vloggers or daily vloggers or Vida, because you can click on the Vida and you can see everyone that's doing Vida. But I'm not too sure that from day to day it will have much of an impact. In this case, maybe you click on YouTube tutorials and you can see everybody that's ranking for YouTube tutorials, and if that's the thing that you're diving down that rabbit hole of to learn on that specific topic, then fine. Otherwise, I can just see this being, yes, another way to find people, but maybe something that doesn't bring major traffic unless they add these hashtags to a trending list somewhere, in which then you can see the trending list, and I've suggested that my hashtag is relevant for that trend, or that I deliberately start adding that trend to my hashtags so people can find them. Now, I'm quite curious, will you be using the hashtag? Has this confused you on how to use it? Please feel free to start a comment and a discussion down below and we can help each other. But for more help with any YouTube features, I've got a playlist up here. And of course, remember to like this video if it has helped you, subscribe for more regular YouTube tricks and tips content, hit that notification icon so you're alerted every time I go live. Go out there, start creating.